bought Heidi a play toy, and as soon as Oshie saw it in the bag, he has gone in and made sure that it's an appropriate toy. Did you get it? Where is it? Where is it? Can you hit it? So it has met the Oshie seal of approval for a toy. Giraffes make good toys. Yes, we do concur 100% that this is an acceptable toy, right? Yeah. Next thing is getting it away from you. That'll be the next fun step. Yeah? Oh, you just show it who's boss. Giraffes are so selfish. Thank you, Barney Fife. Bye.